For this type of question, we are going to make use of quotient rule. We have a fraction like function here. So it is in the form of y is equal to u over v. So we are using this formula. The y dx is equal to v du dx plus u dv dx over v square. That is the quotient rule. So how do I apply this? I will first write can call it f prime of x, or I call it dy dx, or I call it y prime. I'm still differentiating. You understand? So it's equal to 1 plus x squared. Then I'll differentiate the upper part, du dx. That will give me minus 2x. Plus I will write the upper one, 1 minus x squared. Differentiate the lower part, we have 2x. Everything over 1 plus x squared square. So f prime of x, I'm going to check if something is common. Yes, 2x is common. 2x is common. 2x is common. And apart from 2x is common, you know that when we have 1 minus x squared, you remember difference of 2 squared, same as 1 squared minus x squared minus x squared, which is the same as 1 minus x into 1 plus x. If you agree with this, that means that I can still factor out 1 minus. Can I factor out 1 minus? No, I cannot factor out 1 minus x. It's not possible. So what I can do, is to factor out 2x. So I have 2x into minus 1 into x plus 2. That's what we have left on this side. Then plus on this side, what do we have left? We have 1 minus x squared. Okay, this is not relevant. This is not relevant. Oh, sorry. Okay. What I'm trying to say is that this is no more relevant. Yes, it's no more relevant. Yes, so everything over 1 plus x square raised to power 2. I have to erase the upper part. I have to use this so that I can arrive at my final answer. Yes. Now, I can still factor out minus. Let me factor out minus so that I'm going to f prime of x is equal to minus 2x into 1 plus x squared plus, oh, no, it's minus, oh no, x squared minus 1 minus x squared over 1 plus s squared, everything is to power x. And that is how we get our answer. As simple as that.